In this video, I want to share about three amazing and pretty cool websites to earn $500 per day easily from home by using your computer or your mobile phone or your tab without any types of knowledge or experience or without any types of helping of others or investing any money or experience. You can start your journey on these three websites today. So before starting this video, I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel, and if you are first time in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. Or on the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please comment in my comment box. So I'll share more and more. So let's get started. Alright, this is the first website, I think, Zerklemy.com. This is the trusted and international website. You can work from home by using your computer or your mobile phone. Just come to this website. This is called Zerklemy.com, and you can start your work from home on your computer or your mobile. If you want to use your mobile phone, just come to this Google Play Store or click on this over here and install this app and start your work from here. On the other hand, you can download these apps on App Store over here. So this is the common feature about this website on the phone, computer, or tablet, or get paid for wherever you are without investment. So if you come to this turn your time into profit, the flexible solutions, and this one is everything under control and collect profits by following simple instructions. Just in a month, you can earn up to $150. Wow. This is the pretty cool and easy and fast for beginners, those who want to earn extra cash from home without any types of knowledge or experience or investing any money. This is the best and pretty cool website, I think. So without any additional taxes and charges. However, there is no limit of your earnings. You set your own working hours over here, and this one is how can exactly help you. This is the common feature, I think. So if you want to justify this website, just come to this similarweb.com. You will be able to get lots of information, just global rank, country rank, and category rank over here. The people are working on this particular website: Brazil, India, United States, Pakistan, Turkey, and other countries over here. And this is the first website, I think. So how you will start your journey on this website, just click on this registration button over here, and then you'll be able to get this amazing feature. Just provide your email address and password, and then click on this next step over here. On the other hand, you can also get connected or get started your journey on this particular website by using your email account over here. Or this is the third option: sign up with Microsoft over here. And after creating your account, you will be able to get this amazing feature earning. This is the estimated earning today, or today so far, yesterday, and this is the common feature last 7 days, and this is the month feature, and this is the total balance over here. And then what should you do after creating your account? Just click on this earn button over here, and this is the common features, and you can start your journey over here. Browse websites, videos, and ads. This is the common and easiest work and first one, I think. Without any types of knowledge or previous experience, you can visit the different types of websites and watch the different types of videos. Most of the time we have to spend our time on YouTube or to gather any types of knowledge. Just it's a part and parcel of entertaining. So you can also earn much more and more dollars, I mean $500 from home, from watching this YouTube videos over here. And this one is common feature, I think: live engagement on social media. There are lots of social media such the types of Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, or other social medias over here. Just click on this over here, and I will share step by step today. And this one is third option: write comments and reviews on different types of social medias comments, such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, or other social medias over here. And this one is common work, I think, survey work. If you want to invest your time more and more, and then you will be able to get paid more and more by doing lots of survey work over here. And these are four things to start your journey. So how you will start your journey? Just click on this button over here, and will be be able to get this common feature. And what should you do? Just coming to this start browsing ads. This is the common feature, and if I click on this, you'll be able to get this next feature, and you will redirect it on this another interface. I think just wait, and then after coming here, just discover our offer. Just click on this, and you will be able to get paid from this website. I think so. This is the first one, I think, and you'll be able to get lots of YouTube videos. Just click on this first button, and YouTube videos over here. We have to watch lots of videos on YouTube. Just open that videos, and you can start your work on another tabs to earn extra cash. So don't hesitate any types of videos to watch for earning extra cash. It will take you over to this page, and you can watch different videos, and those videos are not boring to you. I think you can actually get paid just entertaining from which you will learn some thing over here. You can just click on this play button, and also start your watching from this YouTube test channels. I mean, any types of YouTube channels over here. And this one is a second option. I think you can go to this specific videos to subscribe that channel and get paid more and more. And also you can start your work for like over here. So this one is the second feature. I think Instagram followers, Instagram likes, Instagram video views, and this one is Facebook page likes, post likes, and post shares, video views over here. This one is third option. I think Fiverr, TikTok, and this one is Twitter followers, likes, tweets, retweets also, and this one is also LinkedIn followers, likes, views, LinkedIn share, Pinterest followers, Pinterest saves, and also Reddit boards, Spotify, and this one is also Twitch followers, and Google Play Store installation, any types of apps from the Google Play Store. So this is the common work. I think you without any types of knowledge or experience, or investing any money, or without helping of others, you can start your journey from home or from any corner of the world by using your computer or your mobile phone easily. Now, after doing this work step by step, also you can complete this type of work with right comment, reviews, and full of service over here. Now, I like to share another website. I mean, a second website. So let's get started. All right, this is the timebox.com. Timebox.com is a trusted website. How you will get paid by doing different types of work. This one is for us. Post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, and complete captchas, and post on Instagram. Answer surveys for different types of questions, and you have to answer on this survey. So these are the common features about this timebox.com. So how you will start your journey first time? Just click on this login with Facebook, or on the other hand, provide your email address or password. Just click on this I am not a robot, and just click on this login button over here. If you create your account before on this particular website, these are the common feature: daily bonuses, start earning instant referral program, weekly payouts, friendly support staff, and this is the accelerate of this website on trustpilot.com. Most of the people have given their review about this website. I think so you can start your journey from home without any types of hesitation on timebox.com, and start your journey from this website. I think after creating your account, you will be able to get this amazing feature. These are the dashboard, earnings, earn, advertise, later, payment, settings, set, and support over here. And I have earned a simple or 0.004 dollar from this website, and I have get paid $1 bonus from here, and you will be able to get paid from this website by just creating your account from any corner of the world on your computer or your mobile phone over here. So how you will start your work? Just click on this earn button over here, and then there are lots of works over here. This one is survey work, content, taxes, signups, TikTok, refer, overalls, AliExpress, links, shift taxes, and premium over here. Just click on this button start, and you will be able to get $0.100 just from this website. There are lots of people are working on this website: Brazil and India, Pakistan, and United States. And lots of countries people are over here. So you can start your journey. And this one is the earnings, referral earnings over here, and this one is advertise, and this one is later. You can use this and step by step start your work for earning extra cash from home. So now I would like to share another three website. I mean third website is to earn more and more from home. This one is called quickrewards.net. Quickrewards.net has started their journey since 2002. I mean, so this one is a popular and old website. I think you can start your journey from home without any types of knowledge or experience by doing this complete service, play games, watch videos, complete offers, and shop online. Most of the people we have to purchase any types of product from home by using our website or different types of e-commerce websites. So you can also earn amount of money by shopping or purchasing any types of product from online. So this is the common feature, I think. And on the other hand, I recommend you to invest your amount of time to earn extra cash by watching different types of videos. Just click on this over here. Quick redemptions, no minimum for PayPal, proceed within 72 hours, weekly mailing to of gift cards over here. Just click on this create button. Now I'd like to share another step how you will create your account on this particular website. Just click on this button over here, and then you will be able to create your account easily from home on quickrewards.com. So I have reviewed today about three websites: Quick Rewards, and this one is Timebox.com, and last one is Zerklemy.com. So I recommend you to start your journey from home without any types of hesitation. You can earn more and more. I mean, $500 per day by watching YouTube videos. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. Just click on this videos, and step by step I have uploaded different types of earning related latest videos on my make money online. You can start your journey. On the other hand, if you click on this playlist button over here, and you will create your new YouTube channel, and just click on this YouTube channel tips and tricks, and you will get 33 videos to start your working on YouTube platform. So go ahead by watching these videos step by step. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.